Krishan? Uh-huh.
That's my new girl. She just stayed with her. I left the party with another girl. I left my phone on the now I got no phone. I need my Maybach. I'm going to the club because one bitch jumped in the first car.
Can you give me a second? Thank you.
I kicked out the car, so now I don't got. I don't even know. Like, I don't even think you probably need to use the phone.
You said Krishan's your new girl?
That was the bitch I was talking to.
So what is it that you need?
Help.
But what is it you need from me? My phone?
Yeah, so I probably need to get her somebody else because I'm gonna get. I need to get the phone.
You need money for gas? I mean, I got enough to probably get you to the gas station. I got like $3-4 bucks.
I got $2 in my car to get to the gas station. I ain't got the 20 bro. I'm gonna be like 200, 300 going in my 16 down.
Well, I don't think I got that much, but let me see how much I got.
Well, God bless you.